Hello everyone. In this video we will see the questions that were asked in the AIIMS NORCET 2020 exam in the evening session 3 to 6 p.m. Two questions were asked. If a pregnant female is there, how much additional kilocalorie the female has to take? She has to take additional 300 kilocalorie. Image for the Trendelenburg position, it was asked 2 times. In OT, white color pipe contain which gas? Oxygen gas. Image was given for Sims speculum. Exercise safe in pregnancy is swimming. There was one image for KUB X-ray image that was representing KUB calculi. Folic acid richest source is green leafy vegetable. Self-care deficit theory was given by Oram. One question was related to BMI. BMI में we have to tell what was incorrect. So the question was weight in kg upon height in meter square. It was correct formula. Second option was weight in kg upon height in centimeter square. Incorrect formula. And it can able to BMI formula can able to use to categorize obesity and to check the nutritional status of any individual. These two things are correct. The incorrect is weight in kg upon height in centimeter square. The video for the BMI calculation, the link will be given in the description box. Next question was related with COVID. COVID में which one is not correct? The sign and symptoms, fever, dry cough and rest of these, malaise and these were given. Second is severity leads to ARDS, acute respiratory distress syndrome, transmitted by aerosols and fomite and belongs to a category of HIV and hepatitis B virus. So we have to tell the incorrect. So incorrect will be it does not belong to a category of HIV and hepatitis B virus. Next question, image was asked from Hamlish maneuver. Surgical safety checklist in which the sign-in was asked which was not included. For all the patient, blood sugar is not necessary. Lignocaine does not cause restlessness in an individual. Needle stick injury, if a person is having needle stick injury of HIV patient, what is the immediate management? Wash with running water with the soap. Do not squeeze it. The question was related with phlebitis and infiltration. What do you mean by phlebitis? If there is redness, fever, pain, swelling and warm, so there will be phlebitis. Whereas infiltration में cool skin, swelling and redness will be there. Negative pressure wound image was there. Alpha fetoprotein level was decreased. Regarding the question was related to triple test and the answer was having alpha fetoprotein level and these triple tests they were decreased. Refractory ricket is due to because of vitamin D deficiency in children. Gentamicin and piptas they can be given together. Length of Ryle's tube is 105 centimeter. If a person was having the fever and it was increasing till 2 to 3 days, after then it came down, that the person was having intermittent fever. One question was related to KCl. You have to give 30 mg in 1000 ml of normal saline. Available form is 40 mg per 20 ml. How much you will administer? You will administer 15 ml. How? 1 ml के अंदर 2 mg. तो 15 ml if we need we have to give 30 mg. So 15 ml we will be administering, that will be giving 30 mg per 1000 ml. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन CK-MB जो राइज होते हैं 3 to 6 आवर के अंदर राइज होता है. आफ्टर देन जो पीक लेवल है वो 15 to 20 आवर के अंदर है. One more question. A female was complaining of vaginal pain when she was walking in a corridor in OPD. So what is the nursing intervention? Make the patient to sit comfortable. So these are the questions that I got. If you are having more questions, you can write in the comment box. The answer will be given. Thanks for watching.